Light this mixture in your home, and it will help you get rid of an annoying summer problem. You don't need anything special because you already have everything at home. Prepare a glass container or bowl and place it somewhere safe. Pour in 3 portions of scented laundry detergent to use as the base. You can choose any type you already have at home. Add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon for a rich, warm aroma. Cinnamon also has natural repellent properties. Then add 3 tablespoons of regular coffee. Coffee enhances the power of the mixture and helps the scent last much longer. Place a few cloves on top. When heated, cloves release natural essential oils and give the whole mixture a strong, spicy fragrance. Carefully light the mixture. Let the aroma slowly spread throughout the room and fill the space. You're probably wondering why this trick is worth trying. You'll notice the effect very quickly. Place the mixture wherever mosquitoes, fruit flies, and other tiny insects usually appear. The scent of the mixture effectively keeps them away. This solution is not only simple but also incredibly practical for everyday use. Pour hot wax over oregano. It will bring many benefits into your life. Prepare a pan and place 3 regular white candles in it, preferably unscented and without dyes. Then wait until they completely melt. Once the wax has melted, remove the wicks. Pour the liquid wax into a glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of oregano, which naturally freshens the air and gives a herbal aroma, creating natural home fragrances. Add a pinch of cinnamon to introduce a warm and cozy scent. Finally, add a few cloves, which make the composition deeper and more relaxing. Take the wick, wrap its top around a stick, and place it in the center of the container with the wax. Set everything aside until it completely hardens. When the wax becomes solid, remove the stick, trim the wick, and the candle is ready to use. This way you can see how easy it is to make a scented candle at home. After lighting it, the interior fills with a warm and soothing aroma. It creates a relaxing scent for the bedroom, perfect for rest and unwinding. You do not need to spend a fortune on expensive scented candles. This simple homemade version creates a pleasant atmosphere and makes the space feel cozier. Even the neighbors will smell the fragrance from your home. Stop throwing away used lemon peels. Drop the peels into boiling water, add 2 sprigs of rosemary, and simmer for about 10 minutes. Then strain and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Mist your space to quickly fill it with a fresh, natural aroma. It's a simple, less toxic alternative to store-bought chemical air fresheners. I put this in the toilet tank, and my unpleasant problem disappears instantly. Take an empty plastic bottle that fits inside the tank. Add 2 measures of fabric softener. It not only provides a pleasant scent, but also contains ingredients that soften water and reduce limescale buildup. The next ingredient is baking soda, which has disinfecting and odor-neutralizing properties. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the bottle. Now the key element, lemon. It acts as a natural cleaner. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bottle for a fresh citrus scent and extra descaling power. Fill the bottle halfway with water, seal it, and shake well to mix everything. Next, heat the tip of a knife and make holes on both sides of the bottle. This allows the water to gradually release the cleaning mixture with every flush. From now on, each flush will mix the water with the fresh, fragrant solution, keeping your toilet clean and smelling great. I mix petroleum jelly with lemon. This saves me a ton of money. I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. This solution is much cheaper, simpler, and better. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly that many people use. But not everyone knows its wide range of applications. If you combine it with lemon, you'll get a super cheap cosmetic product. Transfer 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly to a small, clean bowl. Take 1 lemon. Cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1 half. If any seeds get into the juice, strain it through a sieve into a bowl. Prepare a steam bath. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice over a pot of hot water. Heat until the ingredients are dissolved. Petroleum jelly makes the skin soft, smooth, and more elastic. Mix everything thoroughly. Lemons improve the skin's texture. They brighten the complexion and remove blemishes. They reduce the number of blackheads. Once the mixture has cooled down, you can apply it to your face, neck, and decollete. If you have makeup on, remove it first. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow the skin to absorb it well. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be properly moisturized and nourished. With daily care, you'll see results in just a few days. Do this in the evening before bed, and you'll see the difference in the morning. You'll be surprised at what you can avoid with this simple trick. It's an easy yet highly effective method that solves two problems at once. Take a lemon and cut off one of its ends. Then, insert the tip of a stopper into the center of the lemon and place it over the sink drain. Now, cut off the other end of the lemon, shaping it to fit the drain opening. Insert the prepared citrus plug into the sink and close the drain overnight. This prevents earwigs, which are most active after dark and often seek food scraps in damp areas, from entering the drain. The acid in the lemon creates a natural scent barrier that effectively repels insects, keeping them from reaching the pipes. In the morning, when you remove the citrus plug, you'll notice that unpleasant odors have also disappeared. Additionally, the lemon's essential oils have antibacterial properties, disinfecting the sink and eliminating built-up bacteria. This simple trick keeps your kitchen fresher and helps prevent insect problems. Dip a lemon in salt and rub it on your shower faucet. Your bathroom will shine like new again. No store-bought cleaner can give you this kind of freshness. Stubborn stains and buildup that accumulate over time don't have to mean endless scrubbing. A simple kitchen ingredient is enough to tackle even the toughest marks. Cut the lemon in half. Lemon has antibacterial properties, brightens surfaces, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Press 1/2 into table salt. The salt acts as a natural abrasive that removes dirt and limescale. With gentle, circular motions, scrub the faucet. The combination of lemon and salt works like a natural scrub sponge that can handle even hard-to-remove discoloration. This trick is also great for cleaning the toilet seat or sink faucets, where water stains and deposits often appear. You can also use it to refresh stone or stainless steel surfaces that lose their shine over time. Finally, just wipe everything with a damp cloth and dry it with a paper towel. Use this method regularly, and your bathroom will always stay shiny, fresh, and free of stubborn buildup. This trick makes my home smell wonderfully. Everyone who visits me asks about the scent. I don't buy it in the store. I make it myself. I heat a fork over a candle. Then, I take a regular disposable plastic box. I use the fork to make holes in it. There must be a lot of them. The hot fork melts them. That's why it's the fastest way. When the lid is full of holes, I remove it from the box. I pour salt into its interior. Ordinary. The cheapest kitchen salt will be perfect. It can be coarse-grained, it has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Let me know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Then I pour a teaspoon of fabric softener into it. It should have a pleasant floral scent. Mix it all together so the salt is colored by the fabric softener. Prepare a handful of cloves. Insert them around at equal intervals. You can create nice patterns that will be pleasing to the eye. Place such a box in the bathroom or wardrobe. A pleasant fragrance will emanate from it. Everyone will ask what smells so beautiful. Additionally, it absorbs excess moisture. Therefore, it works great for a shoe cabinet. The scent of fabric softener and cloves will be intense, so it will also work perfectly in the bathroom.